Yo, 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 yo. Get it.
My name is Josie. This is my uncle. And we're going to sing Three Little Birds.
Three Little Birds. Here we go. And Josephina has a marvelous voice, and she'll be leading it for us today, right? All right. Singing, don't worry. Singing, don't
worry
about a thing. Get it. Hey, because
everything's
gonna be alright. Yeah. Singing, don't worry. Oh, yeah.
about a thing.
Because every little thing's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning. Smile with the rising sun. Three little birds sit by my doorstep. Yeah. Singing sweet song, a melody pure as gold. There you go. Singing, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry. Sing it out. About a thing. Because everything is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning. Smile with the rising sun. Three little birds sit by my doorstep, yeah, singing sweet songs, a melody pure as gold. Singing, this is my message to
you.
Singing, don't worry about a thing. Because everything's gonna be alright. Sing it one more time. We're singing, don't worry about a thing. Because everything's gonna be alright. Yeah. And we shall keep you updated on what Josie and I do, because this is how we do. Right, Joss? Rockin'. See you guys soon. You guys are awesome. Thanks for listening.